at IKEA. We're gonna look for some plants because I want more green in our home. Nature is beautiful, and that's what we're here for. Right, Booby?
That's right.
Okay, ready? Let's go. It's cold. It's cold and rainy today. So, yeah. Cold and rainy. Rainy and cold. It looks nice. I like that.
One little plate, eh?
Why do we have liquids I wonder if is Cam coming too?
I think so.
Cam's gonna go in there. He's coming. Hi, now.
Not our turn yet, Cammy, okay? Come here.
You want some donuts?
Donuts. You got a
Cam,
whole
we're
thing.
gonna go. Wait, I need some hearts. You want some crystals? Yeah.
Can we need some water?
I'm hungry.
Bye, have fun. The number to match the kids.
Cool.
So we just dropped the kids off at the kid zone or whatever they call it here at IKEA. That was pretty easy. We should start doing that more often. These are €1. These are cute. These little... You get 6 glasses for €1. Yeah, that's not bad. Ooh. This sounds good. Elderberries and ginger. That sounds like a good winter tea. I might get some. These rust easily. Stick some fruit in here. Look at that. Eyeball man. Put that in the playroom, creep the kids out. Oh, I like that little deer. I need to look at picture frames real quick. I just want to get a price. Okay, this is, oh, that's not bad. Yeah. It's 20 €20. I don't even know what that is.
Catch a flight back going up to DC for a week and stay one day or something.
Yeah. Okay. Cute little plants. Like this. It's cute. You look. And this, that's what that is. So if we get a nice little thing.
That's ridiculous. I mean, maybe if we put it in something.
Yeah. Bins in the living room. Oh man.
No, I don't like the stand.
I don't think I like the stand either because it looks like it belongs outside.
I like that by itself.
Okay, what about this white one? You think I like that one? I don't really match. I like that. I did like that one too. This looks pretty healthy. All right. These leaves are fuzzy. You see that? I don't know what kind of plant this is. Then you got this plant. We all know this plant is trending. But it looks kind of rotted on the bottom.
So, which one are we getting?
I don't know. Yeah, it looks like it's rotting on the bottom. I don't know if I can save that. I feel like as soon as we take it home, it's gonna be done for. This is cute. Those look good.
Nice and fresh.
Yeah, they do. Nice and fresh. Yeah, let me go get the kids real quick.
Get the pup. Look, somebody already put one in the pup.
I don't think that's for sale, but okay. You can go ahead.
That one look nice too.
They do.
Want that one?
Sure. They're like, where's the display at? Bring it. You're just gonna put everything. Alright.
Alright, let's roll.
Totally just took his basket.
She took your car.
What? I did not. That was you. I can't see nothing. Look, I can't see nothing. Alright. Get your stuff, your shoes.
Hi, Mommy.
Get your shoes. Get your shoes with Ash.
I can't find it.
Go get them with Ashley.
I can't find one.
They're over there, man. Okay, Ashley brought your shoes. Hi.
Oh, wait.
Dongshin. Thank you.
No, what go?
Oh. Say cheers.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Okay, we're gonna get a snack. Got my littles from the little play place. We got some snacks. Ash.
Sorry.
No, you get out. That was so rude. Hard day's work at the play place. Yummy. See yours. Oh, Brandon had to go to the house and drop off all the stuff that we just got. He put all the stuff in the front seat that couldn't fit in the trunk. So I said we're gonna go get a little snack, a little pastry snack from the bakery part. And they're having a special, buy 5 for the price of 4. So I got a cinnamon apple muffin, a pretzel, and a Swiss cinnamon roll.
I got this.
Yeah, but we're gonna eat that right now. Maybe we'll save this for Daddy and Monday.
Let me taste. That's good.
Ooh.
I don't want to taste
It.
I like to drink.
You wanna drink? Hey, this is the bubbly apple juice. Please, so drink it slow, okay? That is really strong. Cam, what in the world are you doing?
I'm sorry.
Good? I know their butter pretzels are so good here at IKEA. Haven't got a chance to eat my muffin yet. Is it good? Yeah. That apple on top really gives it a right crunch.
I really like mine. It's so good. Oh, so good. And we were in the play place. It felt like we've been in the play place for like 30 minutes.
I feel like every time I come to IKEA, it feels like the time freezes. And then when I'm done shopping, I realize that I've either been in here for 5 minutes or like 2 hours. And I've basically probably been in here for almost 2 hours. And it feels like 2 hours now, but when I was shopping, it didn't feel like 2 hours. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is all the stuff we got from IKEA. We got a salt and pepper grinder. And then I got some black chai tea with ginger and elderberry. A plant waterer. An infuser water bottle cup. And these beautiful plants. These two little scrub brushes, one's for the kitchen, one's for cleaning. A spray bottle to keep the plant's leaves nice and moisturized. Excited about that. Alright, there you have it. We went to IKEA and some other places, but we spent most of our time at IKEA today. I'm going to end the vlog here and try to figure out where we're going to put these plants in this house and get them set up.